Hi friends, welcome to Hasini and Friends channel. What I do now? Yeah, I do that. No. I do that. Yeah. Ta-da! This is the football. Today I'm reviewing this. Let's start. Oh no, it's need 4 batteries. Okay. Let's open the box and put the batteries into the football. Oh no, I need screwdriver to remove the screws from the football. Okay, let's take the screwdriver and remove the screws from the football. Now put the batteries into the football. Now press the on button. Wow, it's like an AC. The air was coming through the holes. I'm showing with pepper. Oh, the front side was like an vacuum cleaner and the back side was an AC. Now let's play with the football. Wow, the football is so nice. I like the football. Yeah. I pulled the football with my legs. The football is so nice. I like the football. And I played with that football through the day. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.